Some say, be careful. Don't show your cards. Don't undress too soon. Hold back the bones and guts and the blood of yourself. Wait it out. Measure trust. Watch carefully. Make sure they are deserving, worthy of your insides. But fuck it. Say love is a blip. It'll vanish quicker than we think. We could die tomorrow, today, any minute, any second. And games and caution and hesitation only build a cage made from regret and shame. So I say, break all the rules. Give it all away. Pour yourself out, empty every last bit. Love like your lungs might collapse. And for all your messy, gorgeous flawed self. And let love lead, starting with your own precious beating heart. I say bask in your own weird perfect company. Devour all your strange, messy, beautiful, broken parts. Make love to your tender wounds. Get off on every piece they ever told you was ugly or worthless or too much or not enough. Fall recklessly in love with yourself and then burst outside and leave. Dance down every crooked street. Be that strange wild thing that people cannot help but stare at and want to emulate. Sing wildly along with the ravens. Cow because you can, scream because you feel like it. Cackle with dirt between your teeth. Weep shamelessly and savor the brine on your tongue. Let your skin be kissed by the hot sun and allow your bare thighs to jiggle like those jello molds your grandmother used to make when you were little. Call your grandmother, call your mother, and if she isn't alive, look up at the sky and directly speak to her. Believe in something beyond yourself. Go a half step beyond yourself. Wake up, twirl madly in that outfit you were saving for somebody. Or someday. Burn all your someday plans. Don't save anything. Look people dead in the eyes. Hug them fearlessly like it's your last embrace. Say I love you and mean it. And mean it. And mean it. And mean it. Don't hold back.